Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that takes luxury travel to an entirely different dimension. The 2027 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome has officially been revealed, and it might be the most insane luxury motorhome ever imagined. Combining futuristic design, advanced technology, and premium comfort, this incredible RV transforms the traditional idea of a motorhome into a rolling five-star mansion. Inspired by the elegance and innovation of Cadillac, the Platinum Motorhome is built for travelers who want to experience the open road without sacrificing luxury. From the outside, the 2027 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome immediately demands attention. The front fascia features Cadillac's signature illuminated grille, paired with ultra-slim vertical LED lighting elements that give the vehicle a futuristic and commanding appearance. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic body lines create a sleek profile that looks more like a luxury concept vehicle than a traditional RV. The side profile is long, elegant, and carefully designed to maximize both style and functionality. Large panoramic smart glass windows stretch across the cabin, allowing passengers to enjoy breathtaking views while instantly adjusting opacity for privacy. Hidden storage compartments are integrated smoothly into the lower body design, preserving the clean and sophisticated exterior design. One of the most impressive exterior features is the expandable SkyDeck lounge system. When parked, sections of the roof and side body extend outward to create additional living space and an elevated outdoor lounge area. This transforms the Platinum Motorhome into a private luxury retreat, perfect for relaxing under the stars or entertaining guests in scenic locations. The motorhome also includes fully integrated ambient lighting along the lower body panels and beneath the awning system, giving it a dramatic appearance at night. Large premium alloy wheels, chrome accents, and seamless body panels further enhance the upscale look. At the rear, the Platinum Motorhome features a full-width LED light bar combined with futuristic digital lighting elements that create a bold signature on the road. Advanced parking sensors, 360-degree cameras, and automated stabilization systems make maneuvering and campsite setup surprisingly simple, despite the vehicle's impressive size. Step inside the 2027 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome, and the interior immediately feels like entering a modern luxury penthouse suite. The cabin is spacious, elegant, and filled with premium materials, including handcrafted leather upholstery, polished wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and soft ambient lighting. The main lounge area is designed to provide maximum comfort during long journeys. Large reclining seats with massage, heating, and cooling functions surround a central entertainment zone featuring a massive retractable OLED display and a premium surround sound system. Whether relaxing with family or hosting guests, the space feels refined and incredibly comfortable. The panoramic glass roof fills the interior with natural light during the day, while offering breathtaking nighttime views. Smart lighting systems automatically adjust brightness and color temperature depending on the mood and time of day, creating a calm and luxurious atmosphere throughout the cabin. Moving toward the center of the motorhome, the kitchen area combines advanced technology with premium craftsmanship. It features a smart induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, luxury refrigerator, microwave oven, and hidden sink system. Elegant stone countertops and soft-close cabinetry provide both durability and sophistication, while hidden storage compartments maximize practicality. Toward the rear, the private master suite transforms the motorhome into a true luxury residence on wheels. A king-size floating bed with a premium memory foam mattress ensures exceptional sleeping comfort. Floor-to-ceiling smart glass windows allow passengers to enjoy scenic views while maintaining privacy with adjustable tint controls. The bedroom also includes integrated climate management, ambient lighting, wireless charging systems, and luxury storage solutions designed for extended travel. Every detail has been carefully crafted to make the experience feel closer to a high-end hotel suite than a traditional RV. The bathroom area is equally impressive. A spacious rain shower, illuminated mirrors, heated flooring, and premium fixtures create a spa-like atmosphere inside the motorhome. Advanced water filtration and recycling systems help improve efficiency during long off-grid adventures while maintaining luxury-level comfort. Performance is another major highlight of the 2027 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome. This futuristic RV is expected to use an advanced hybrid electric powertrain designed to deliver smooth performance, strong acceleration, and impressive efficiency for a vehicle of this size. Instant electric torque makes highway merging effortless, while the quiet operation enhances the relaxing luxury experience inside the cabin. The adaptive air suspension system continuously adjusts to road conditions, ensuring exceptional ride quality even on rough surfaces. Intelligent all-wheel drive improves stability and traction in changing weather conditions, making the Platinum Motorhome capable of handling both long-distance touring and adventurous travel routes. Driver assistance technology is highly advanced and designed to reduce fatigue during extended journeys. Features include semi-autonomous highway driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system. Inside the cockpit, a panoramic digital dashboard provides navigation, vehicle diagnostics, energy management information, and entertainment controls through a clean and futuristic interface. Voice-controlled AI systems allow passengers to adjust lighting, climate, seating functions, and multimedia settings effortlessly. Pricing for the 2027 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome places it firmly in the ultra-luxury segment. Industry estimates suggest a starting price around $750,000, while fully customized versions featuring bespoke materials and exclusive technology packages could exceed $1.5 million depending on specifications. The 2027 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome represents a bold vision for the future of luxury travel. It combines futuristic styling, advanced performance, intelligent technology, and premium comfort into a vehicle designed to completely redefine the motorhome experience. For travelers who want to explore the world without leaving behind the comfort of luxury living, this incredible motorhome proves that the future of RV travel has already arrived. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.